Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Identity Leather Visitor Chair. Features. The Identity Leather Visitor Chair features an attractive ribbed stitch detail for a contemporary modern look. The seat pad is contoured for comfort and features a waterfall seat front to help ease pressure on the legs and aid circulation. Integral chrome armrests are topped with arm pads for additional comfort. The upholstery coordinates perfectly with the chrome frame, armrests and cantilever base. The Identity Visitor Chair is faced in soft touch bonded leather in a choice of 3 colours, with carefully matched vinyl back and sides for a fully upholstered finish. Foams are fire retardant to British Standard BS 5852 Level 0, 1 and 5, and fabrics to EN 1021 Parts 1 and 2. The Identity Chair comes with a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee for up to 8 hours use per day, so you can buy with confidence. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.